Crowds for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Harvest Rainbow Stamp and Die Set. This stamp and die set is part of the Autumn Impressions release. So let's take a closer look. We have the stamp set. The stamp set measures 6 by 8 and has 27 different images. We have a large rainbow that's 2.5 by 5, and we have the individual arches that fit perfectly in that line image. We have 15 smaller images. We have a layering pumpkin. We have a sentiment that's 1 by 2 inches large, and then we have a leaf pile cloud that's about 1 by 3 inches. This stamp set also coordinates with the layering rainbow stencil set. So here you can see how that fits perfectly on top of that stenciled rainbow. So let's take a look at the stamped and die cut images. Here I have adhered them to an A2 piece of cardstock, so you can have reference how it will look on an A2 size card. So here is the rainbow. For the first one, I used both the line image and the individual arches to fill in the image. Then I've cut the arches separately, and here we have the rainbow just with the filler images. And then we have the 15 individual little leaves. So now let's take a look at a few projects for our creative team. So thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, our blog, and our Instagram for more ideas and more inspiration.